Changing a project name in Jira involves a few steps and it requires Jira administrator permissions. Here's a concise guide to changing a project name. Log in as an admin. Ensure you're logged in with Jira administrator privileges. Only users with the appropriate permissions can modify project settings. Navigate to Project Settings. Go to the Jira dashboard and select projects from the main menu. Choose the project you want to rename. Access Project Settings. Once in the selected project, click on Project Settings located in the sidebar or under the project's drop-down menu. Edit Project Details. In the Project Settings, find and select Details or Project Details. This section allows you to view and modify the project's information. Change the project name. In the Project Details section, you will see the current project name. Click the Edit button next to the project name field. Enter a new project name in the next field. Save changes. After entering the new name, click the Save or Update button to apply the changes. Verify the change. Go back to the Jira dashboard and confirm that the project name has been updated.